Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make some sweet potato biscuits. This is apparently a very traditional southern thing. Back in the day when they couldn't get a bunch of flour, they would make their biscuits go further by adding sweet potatoes to the mix. And so we're going to get right into this. I've never had these before, let alone make them, so I'm just basically replacing 1 cup of my flour with 1 cup or so of this cooked sweet potato and just going from here and seeing what happens. I add 2/3 of a stick of butter and 2/3 of a cup of milk, just like I would if I was doing 2 cups of flour. And as you can see, it's just a wet, messy dough. I've got the surface heavily floured as I need this just to where I can work it and cut these out. And like I said, at this point I've never had them, so I'm just assuming that this is how sweet potato biscuit dough is, and soon I will find out that is not the case. So I get all of these cut out and just as carefully as I can get them on a greased baking pan, and it is all I can do to keep them from falling apart. I hit the top of them with an egg wash and then sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon sugar on top, and they go in the oven for 12 or 13 minutes on 450. When they come out, you can tell that they are just not risen. This is what happens when you have too wet of a dough and a dough that you could not work enough to build the gluten up in it. So we're going to give this another shot. Here we go. We start again with 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of sweet potato, and I only put 1/3 cup of milk in here and 1/3 of a stick of melted butter. And as you can see right off the bat, this is just way easier to work and knead. From here on out, everything else gets the same treatment, and it's just way easier all the way around, and these biscuits rose beautifully and just look fantastic. I mean, there's no comparison. This is true with the sweet potato biscuits. But the same thing would happen with regular biscuits. If you get them too wet or you do not work your dough enough, you're going to have flat, terrible biscuits that look like cookies or something. I don't know. Anyway, guys, I had a great time making these. I'd never made them before. They were very delicious, and I highly recommend you give them a try. Thanks for watching.